Hey everyone, it's Daniel here, and today we're going to be talking about video games. Getting into games may seem to be a challenge for many, especially an older audience that never really got the chance to play online. But today, I'm here to convince you all to take your first step into it. Many people that are unfamiliar with them will assume there's no actual merit besides the entertainment factor that it provides. But there's a lot more to them than what you think. For example, the rise of esports, a term used to describe the competitive video gaming scene, has created new and unique organizations that revolve their whole brand around the gaming community. Online personalities such as PewDiePie or MrBeast actually gained their notoriety through an initial start in gaming by posting videos of their gameplay on YouTube. They used games like Minecraft, or in later cases, Fortnite, to develop their own individual platforms. If you're ready to take your first step into games, just follow along. Today, I'm going to show you how to download Steam, an online video game service. The majority of people who want to start playing computer games may want to start off here as a basis. So from here, you're going to want to search up Steam on whatever online platform that you use, which I just use Google. And you could just click on the link right here, store.steam powered. And as you can see, this is just a platform where you can purchase or download games to your own liking. And you're going to want to click login at the top. Now there's a sign-in page, which we won't be using right now, unless you already have an account, which I don't know why you'd be here then. And the join Steam area. So you want to click on join Steam here. And for this, I actually have a mock email that I'm going to use. You're going to just want to type down your information right here. Now after you put down your email address, put down your country of residence, which for me is the United States, and you're going to want to click on the captcha right here and finish it off. And now hopefully I can finish it first try. These are really hard sometimes. There you go. And you want to click I am 13 years of age or older. You want to check mark that. Unless you aren't, then that's pretty unlucky. And you want to press continue. Now it's going to ask you to verify your email, which luckily enough I have the email right here. And they'll send you an email verification. You want to click on that and click on verify my email address. And now you just need to go back to the window you used to create your account. And it's going to tell you to enter in a Steam account name, which could be anything that you want as long as it's not taken, and a password. Alright, and then you're going to want to hit done when you're ready. And now you're logged in. And you're going to want to press install Steam here once you finish creating your account, which will bring you to this page where you'll just install Steam right here. Just click on the button. On the bottom left here, you'll see the Steam setup page. You'll want to click on that. And if it says, do you want to allow this app to make any changes, you're just going to want to click yes on that as well. This pop-up will appear right here. And you just want to click next, choose your language, next. And if you don't really know what you're doing, you could just click install right here. But since I already have it, I'm just going to cancel for now. Now, after you finish installing Steam, you should be able to see the icon on your main desktop right here. You're going to want to double click in the icon right here, and something should pop up looking like this. Just enter in your account information like so. And click on the remember my password option only if it's a personal desktop. Make sure it's not a business or anything. And log in. from here you should get a bunch of pop-ups. This is just an ad you can get rid of, and there you go. Now you have Steam installed. You can go through the store and see all the games that they provide, and hopefully you'll find something that you like. Personally, right now, I'm finding Counter-Strike, which is a first-person shooter, very fun at the moment. So you can just give that a try if you'd like. But there's plenty of games to offer here. And that's all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and if you haven't yet, check out my blog link in the description down below. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful for getting into video games, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all next time.